How will we work together?
Look for the scale-up strategy, run the new projections, and I'll reorder the coffee.
More seamlessly. Making productivity an extension of yourself. In spaces that react and anticipate your actions.
Hey everyone. Are we all set?
More inclusively, so location doesn't confine your contribution.
Hi guys, good morning.
With great ideas being shared widely
So we've been working to expand the system.
and built upon collaboratively.
This is the new motor. Smaller, more efficient, and higher output.
With more balance, promoting better understanding of ourselves and our colleagues. How will we work together? Seamlessly, inclusively, and with balance. We'll just work.